what's up. I have a cool little upgrade for the Brera today, and that is that we're going to install two Quadrifoglio badges on the fenders of the Brera. Unfortunately, the Brera never came out of the factory with Quadrifoglio badges, so historically it's a little bit wrong to put or a little bit incorrect to put them on the fenders, but I just really like the badges, and I think they have so much character, and it's a decal, so if I ever get tired of it I can just take it off. So these badges go on the fender of the car, and there's one meant for each side, and it's meant for the stem of the clover leaf to point backwards, so it travels with the wind direction. So I have one for the right side, one for the left side. My car has been driven since it was last washed, so I need to clean it first, and then we can install the decals. So yeah, let's go ahead. So guys, the clover leaf on the right side has been installed, and I believe it is in place correctly. There was a little air pocket that was under the decal, but luckily it was easily removed. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'm going to put one on the left side as well, and I think it's pretty cool, and if I ever get tired of it I just remove it. It's a sticker, so I thought it would be a fun little detail. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, and thank you for watching, and see you next video. Bye.